Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Mathematics JEE. This pair of questions are the last questions of this sample paper. This is the last paragraph, paragraph number 2. Here we have two questions for this paragraph, question 17 and question 18. Let us discuss this step by step. Okay. So we are told that football teams T1 and T2 have to play two games against each other. Okay. It is assumed that the outcomes of the two games are independent. The probability of T1 winning, drawing, and losing a game against T2 are half, 1 by 6, and 1 by 3, respectively. Okay, so we can calculate the winning probabilities for both teams and this drawing possibility for both teams by this information, right? So we get, let's say, this is the winning possibility of this team 1, right? So P of T1 means probability of T1 winning the game. So P of T1 will be half, right? P of T2 will be, this will be 1 by 3, right? And P of this draw, we denote it by P of D. This is equal to 1 by 6, right? So now each team gets 3 points for a win, 1 point for a draw, and 0 point for a loss in the game. So these two football teams play against each other in two independent football matches. Okay. Let X and Y denote the total points scored by teams T1 and T2 respectively after two games. Okay. So let us first tabulate this given situation. Okay. So let us calculate all the possibilities first. Let us tabulate all the possibilities where this X is greater than Y, X equal to Y, X less than Y, so that we can answer these questions here. P of X greater than Y, then we have in the second part here, P of X equal to Y is what, like this. Okay. So let us first tabulate this possibilities. So let us say this is first game. Okay. And this is our second game. And here we will tabulate the points. Here it is T1 and here it is T2. So T1 is our X here, right? And T2 is our Y. And this is the probability for each of these situations. So let us consider case wise. Total how many cases will be possible? Here these two teams are there and both play two matches, right? So that means we have total 9 possible cases, right? Because the first game can be either win for T1, then win for T2, or can be draw, right? And for second game, it will be exactly same. That means here it will be 3 possibilities, here it will be 3 possibilities. That means total 9 cases will be there. So let us calculate these cases one by one. Okay. So for first game, let's say T1 wins, and for second games we pick again T1s. So this is the winning team. Here we are tabulating winning teams. So in the first game T1 wins, and in the second game T1 also wins. So what will be the total points of T1? We can clearly tell that each team gets 3 points for a win. That means if T1 wins both the games, it will get total 6 points, right? And T2 will lose nothing because 1 point for a draw and 0 point for a loss in a game. So we have this Y as 0. So now what will be this probability? This will be probability of T1 winning the game is half, right? So it will be half times half, that is 1 by 4, right? Now, for the second case, let us calculate. Let's say T1 wins the first game and T2 wins the second game. Okay. So we have here this T1, as it wins one game and T2 wins one game, both of these teams will get 3 points. That means what will be the total probability? It will be 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. That is 1 by 6, right? So next, if we calculate, it will be, let's say T2 wins the first game and T1 wins the second game. Okay, so this case will be exactly same here, 3 and 3. That means again half into 1 by 3, which is 1 by 6. So now if we consider this case, let's say T2 wins both of these games, right? So we have this T1 will get 0 and this T2 will get 6 points, right? So exactly this case, but the probability will be different because probability of T2 winning the game is 1 by 3. That means 1 by 3 whole square, which is 1 by 9, right? So now let us calculate the other cases, which is, let's say first game it is draw, and for the second game it is also a draw. Okay, so none of the teams win in both of the games. That means here this T1 will get 1 point and T2 will gain 1 point for one match, right? But here it will be plus 1, right? Because we have to consider both of these two matches. So it will be 2 and 2, right? So we have here the probability equal to, the probability of draw is 1 by 6. That means it will be 1 by 6 whole square, which is 1 by 36. So then if we calculate the next scenario, we have, it will be draw in first game and then second game T1 wins. Okay, so we have T1 total at 3 plus 1, so 4 points. Okay, and T2 at 1 points. Okay, because T2 and T1 both play these two games, and in the first match there is a draw. That means both team will get 1 point, and here it will this T1 will get 3 points extra for winning this second game. That means here what will be the probability? Probability will be 1 by 6 times half, right? It will be 1 by 12. So next, if we calculate, let's say this order is reversed. Okay, so T1 wins the first game and there is a draw in the second game. So we have here, this will be 4 and this will be 1. Same case, right? So probability will be exactly same. Then if we calculate the next possible case, it will be, let's say first game we have a draw situation, and in the second game we have this T2 as the winning team. So that means we have T2 at 4 points and T1 at 1 points. Okay, so what will be the probability here? It will be 1 by 6, which is the draw probability, and multiplied with this 1 by 3. So it will be 1 by 18. Similarly, we can reverse the order. So it will be T2 and D. It will be 1 and 4, exactly the same. And it will be 1 by 6 into 1 by 3, which is 1 by 18, right? So we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cases. So total 9 cases, right? So let us now calculate this probabilities. Okay, so P of x greater than y, we are asked to find, right? So let us find the cases where x greater than y. So we find x greater than y is this case. Okay, then x greater than y is this case, then this case, right? So we have only these three cases here. So probability of x greater than y will be equal to P. This is equal to uh, the sum of all these three cases, right? Sum of all these three probabilities, which is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12. That means 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6, which is equal to 12, then 5, right? So we have here this 3 6p will be 5 by 12 into 36. That means if we calculate this, it will be equal to 15, right? So that means our first answer will be equal to 15. Now let us calculate this second probability, probability of x equal to y. Okay, so probability of x equal to y will be simply by using the same technique, that it is x equal to y. That means this case and this case, right? These three cases. So we have here p of x equal to y as q. Okay, so q is equal to 1 by 6 plus this 1 by 6 and again 1 by 36. So 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 will be 1 by 3 and plus 1 by 36. That means it will be 13 divided by 36, right? So if we calculate this, 72 times cube, it will be equal to 13 by 36 into 72, which means it will be equal to 26. So we have 26 as our correct answer, right? So this is how we solve this paragraph. We tabulate all the cases one by one, as there are very less cases here. So we tabulate all the cases and then solve for the asked probability.